Here's a new day with some new food. We got tacos, and I got a crazy view.
Danny Roy, loud energy, zero chill, chaotic, self-driven, and professionally bad at slowing down. This is Danny Roy.
Fuck, you made it. Victor! Let's go. Hey, anytime, bro. Igual, bro, gracias. It's a beautiful day here in paradise. We're about to go hike a volcano. Who we got here? The one and only Danny fucking Roy.
Let's fucking get it.
Yes, sir. Just getting ready, packing the bag. Yeah, ready to go. Una tours with Danny Roy.
Look at the drip. Look at the drip.
Look at the trip.
God.
360, you get a hat, you get gloves, you get jackets. It's the cheapest agency I found, but I have faith that they're one of the best. Well, I'm matching. We get lunches, we get dinner, we get everything. All included. All included. Cash, cash. Bueno, mi gente linda, aquí tenemos el lunch para comer, el camel bag, el agua. Estamos lights. Estamos ready.
De mañana vamos a alcanzar la altitud que tiene el volcán Acatenango, 3.976 metros, casi los 4.000, pero eso es hasta mañana.
Ok.
Ya que la caminata puede durar un aproximado de 4 horas, dependiendo de nosotros. Podemos hacer más antes o un poco más de las 4.
Okay.
No se preocupen, los descansos normalmente están acá 1 hora, pero solo podemos hacer acá 30 minutos, dependiendo si lo quieren hacer más. Podemos seguir o parar, ustedes lo digan, por mí no hay ningún inconveniente.
Entonces ahorita empezamos a 2.000 metros mínimo.
Sí, 2.200. Ajá.
Y el pico es como, ¿cuántos? ¿5.000 o 4.000?
No, 3.976 metros, casi los 4.000.
Ok, perfecto.
Ajá. Vamos ahora a dormir a 3.650 metros.
Ok, perfecto.
Ya, casi vamos a estar a la altitud del volcán de fuego. El volcán de fuego tiene 3.850 metros. Sí, el volcán lo tenemos enfrente.
Ok.
Ajá. Es muy recomendable si llevan chaqueta para frío, guantes, gorro, ya que es muy necesario un aproximado 4 litros de agua.
Ok.
Sí, ya dependiendo de ustedes si ya lo lleven o no, ya les di las recomendaciones. Ahorita hay mucha gente para arriba.
Ok.
Entonces es muy necesario que los tres andamos juntos, porque hay varios campamentos. El volcán Acatenango tiene 2 rutas para acampar, entonces es muy necesario que vamos a ir juntos. ¿Sí?
Claro.
Ajá.
Ah? You put the hand there?
1, 2, 3. So yeah, we'll take an hour. We'll take a break every 1 hour or every half hour, depending on your physique. Look at that, it's all incline.
Oh, like 200 pounds, bro.
Holy shit, I got 50 pounds in my back.
Dating.
First break point. It's only been 20 minutes. What the fuck? It's challenging. It's challenging. Look at my face.
Oh my
dripping. I'm showered in sweat. What the fuck?
Oh man, this jacket is so hot, bro.
It's challenging.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, look at this. Smooshy.
Yeah.
You're gonna get real dirty. It's all like sand. Real soft. If you ever do this hike, get the fucking poles. Don't be cheap. I was cheap and this is the consequence. We had to stop on the second stop. Yeah, this is pretty dope. I'm gonna keep going. I'm ready to go. I ain't from this planet. I'm a different fucking breed.
You can't get in the beast.
I'm an animal. Woo! Woo!
The volcano ain't hard, we hard.
We,
I
know what to say.
We hard.
Woo! So this is what we're having, some rice and chicken. This is all set up by the agency, Luna Tour. Thank you for this food. Thank you, God. I appreciate this. Oh, man.
Right now it's actually about calculating the breath every fucking time you step.
We're not even halfway there.
We're not even halfway there.
¿A cuántos metros estamos? 3,200. Oh, okay. We're at 3,200 meters so far. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
You can start feeling the altitude. The breath's kind of short.
Yeah. Alright, we're here on like the 5th stop for another break. It's tough, I'm telling you. This guy's crazy, man. Okay. Entra.
Solo 200. Sí, solo 200.
Wow.
I had another gear right now.
You had another gear?
Yeah.
So yeah, this belongs to the municipality of San Juan Acatenango. So what he was telling me is that they also pay taxes. And this is why you can't be cheap with these people, because they work their ass off and they only get paid by trip. They don't get paid by hour. They don't get paid every 15 days. So it all depends on you. I recommend taking Advil or Tylenol because you could get migraines and headaches. Oh my God, look at this.
Yo.
What the hell?
Yo.
Wow.
Yo, it's just crazy.
Wow. Dude, I love life. This is what I live for. Holy shit. Oh.
Bro.
Clouds, high as a kite. High as a kite. We're above the clouds. I just had a moment there. This is what I live for. These magical moments. You see, money, you can always make money. But time, you can just never buy time. You can never buy these things. So, if you have a chance to travel, do it. You won't regret spending a couple thousands. Really, because this shit like this doesn't have a price. And the beauty of it is like, it's challenging, but it's nice. The pain is good. Oh, wow. Damn, I can feel my fucking head pounding.
Yeah, my head's pounding.
I feel it on my eardrum, like boom, boom, boom. What you gotta say, bro?
Look at the view. Look how high we are. And I'm still rocking the no shirt. I gotta love it.
This guy's crazy.
Still rocking the no shirt.
I've seen
4,000 meters now.
I've seen a few hikers, I've seen a couple hundreds, and this is the only one that's walking with no shirt. Holy fuck. Oh fuck. Yo, pay attention. Oh man, look at this. Yo, what the, wow. No, my video just looks tough because I got the 50-liter bag.
Yeah, for once. For once, you got the bag.
Acá es el campamento donde nosotros traemos los chicos para tener la vista al volcán de fuego.
Okay, volcán de
Ya que también a este lado tenemos lo que es, ahorita tiene un poco de nubes, yo creo que no es posible. Bien, es bien el volcán, es el volcán de agua. A un costado ahorita está tapado con nubes, pero tenemos lo que es el volcán Pacaya.
Pacaya, ok.
Sí, acá en esta dirección, cabal, donde está este árbol, cabal, mira la ciudad de Guatemala. Sí,
Ok.
Y lo que es la Antigua.
La Antigua, ok.
¿Ya? Entonces acá nosotros vamos a dormir ahora a 3600.
3600 metros.
Y pues entonces eso es todo y felicidades, lo hicieron muy bien.
I like the adrenaline. Let's go. Told you this shit erupts. It's always erupting. What the fuck?
I mean, that's where we're going. We're going right there. And we're sleeping right here. So we're leaving the stuff at the base. And the guy just asked us, like, you guys want to go to Del Fuego? There's a volcano right there. It erupts every now and then. We just got an eruption. And we're just about like to decide. And we're like, okay, now we're going.
We don't have insurance.
We don't need insurance. Insurance needs us.